SVR.
New Jersey has issued a severe
It's SVR. There's an SVR in KZZ31. It's an SVR in KZZ31. Oh my God.
Were located along a line extending from near Lawrenceburg to Manningham to Bakerville, moving northeast at 50 miles. Wind gusts.
We got an SVR in KZZ31.
Impact, damage,
Mamma mia!
trees, and power lines.
Share my screen, guys. We need the ironbound right now.
Emmaus, Wyoming, Northampton, Tobiana, Palmerton, Cutstown, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Bladenton, Fleetwood, Single Spring, Wallingford, Bath, and Weatherly. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 49 and 57, Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and
Phoenix, share my screen.
in Pennsylvania between mile markers 200, 78 and 299. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 170.
Look, SVR.
Mile marker 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. to the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and
Let's
Northampton.
go, SVR.
The current time is 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.